Ellie and this is my sister, Olivia. And today we'll be doing an engineering challenge. We have to make a cardboard boat. This challenge comes from the James Dyson Foundation. Today's challenge is to make a cardboard boat that can support a half-pound weight without sinking. Whoever's boat floats the longest wins. For this experiment, we need drawing paper to plan out our designs, cardboard. I have a bunch of pieces over here. Tin foil, clear tape or duct tape. Like we have duct tape right here, and some scissors and a pencil. Let's get started.
20 minutes later.
Okay. My problem is how am I gonna take this? Okay.
Later.
I'm gonna be making a cool pineapple boat, and yeah, it's going well so far. You can see this is the base pineapple, and then we have like a wall here, and then I'm gonna put walls around here, and then I'm gonna put the 1 pound in here, and then here's my boat. So I added like little wings to the side, and you need to pay $1 to hop on the boat, and then I have tin foil on the bottom, which I coated with tape, just to help that a bit more so that it doesn't touch the cardboard, because once it touches the cardboard, now it is time to follow directions. This is about half a pound. In a boat, and then put the boat in the pool. I'm scared. I think my boat's working because it's big, waterproof, and it distributes the weight. I think mine's gonna sink, but I don't want to jinx myself, so I'm gonna believe that it's going to sink. Let's try. Sinking. Yeah, water's in it. It's almost sinking. Almost. Water's in it. Yep. Pineapple boat did not survive. And the food did not survive.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.